Last but not least on our list of 5 outdoor all-weather activities is Grounds for Sculpture in Hamilton, New Jersey. Now, I have not been here, so this is another place that I have to check out, but Grounds for Sculpture is gorgeous from what I've heard and reviewed. The reviews online are amazing. Grounds for Sculpture is a nonprofit organization, and they really serve and were started to allow people to enjoy nature and outdoors, as well as enjoying contemporary art and sculpture at the same time. So there's 42 acres on the grounds, and across these 42 acres you can find about 300 contemporary art pieces that are situated throughout. There's meadows that are filled with butterflies and wildflowers. There's both native and exotic trees that were strategically planted on the grounds. There's temporary and permanent exhibits that you can see from emerging and established artists. It's a really nice place to enjoy. Outside food is not permitted, but they do have some things you can purchase at the grounds, and they're open Monday through Sunday from March through November, so they only close for the winter season, which makes sense because in New Jersey, when it's cold, it's not really much to look at outside. So that is number 5 on our list. So I hope you enjoyed the 5 all-weather activities you can do with the family or for date night or with your friends or whoever, and check them out. Have a great time there. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tune into my YouTube channel for all of the videos that I post on a regular basis, and I look forward to assisting you with your home buying journey in the future. Thank you for tuning in this week. Have a great day, and I will see you all next Tuesday.